The O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop stands out because its dual-chamber bucket keeps clean and dirty water separate, so your mop head is always rinsed in fresh water instead of a murky mix. The microfiber mop head does an impressive job lifting everyday grime and a very high percentage of bacteria using only water, which is helpful if you want to cut back on harsh cleaners. The built-in foot pedal lets you control how damp the mop is without bending down, so you can safely use it on delicate sealed hardwood as well as tile, vinyl, and laminate floors. The triangular head and full rotation make it surprisingly easy to reach into tight corners and under low furniture where traditional string mops usually struggle. Because the mop heads are machine-washable and reusable, and the set includes extra refills, it can significantly reduce ongoing cleaning costs compared with disposable pad systems. Overall, this system offers a thoughtful balance of hygiene, convenience, and versatility that makes routine mopping feel quicker and less of a chore.